Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlist, select Forex scalping strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. First of all, hit the like button please before you continue watching. I'm sure you're gonna like this video and I'm gonna give you a few seconds to hit the like button. Alright, I trust that you already hit the like button. Thank you and appreciate it, and I hope guys you're gonna enjoy watching this video. So first of all, I want to tell you that I am on a demo account today. The reason is actually trading on my live account is very stressful for me, especially when I'm trading and recording and explaining and doing all of that on my own live account. It's really stressful, and because of that actually I have lost tons of money. Yes, just yesterday I actually tried to make a live trading video, but I have lost more than $480 due to the mistakes I was doing while explaining. So actually, I was kind of pissed off. Thankfully, today I have recovered about 80% of that loss, but I'm done for today, and I decided that I want to play around on my demo account right now and making this video for my channel. Just for the records again, this is the demo account, so I will be actually more relieved and have a free time to explain to you about my strategy and how to find the decent and very trusted entries. The other thing here which I want to talk about is the scammers. Guys, please be aware of the scammers. There are a lot of scammers who pretend to be me. Now actually I understand the reason why there are so many comments. Not so many, I mean, in the last 2 weeks we had several of them. They said that Salah is a thief, he's a scammer, he took money from us and he didn't return it back. And I was really wondering what the hell is going on here. So we understood finally that there are some groups pretending to be Xtreme Trader. For example, this guy here, I don't know who is he. This is not my channel, guys. This is not my channel. This is just some scammer. He says free Xtreme Trader Forex signals official, and he's using my own videos and using the results of our own signals on his channel. But this is not us. This is not me. He's just making profits under my own name. He's using my name to make a profit. And by the way, we actually have found several channels. Let me just show you. This is also one of them. This is like the biggest one. This guy here, he's pretending to be Xtreme Trader. He's also using, of course, my logo and my name. And he's telling everyone to send him $150 and the return is $3,000. Invest $400 and return $8,000. Invest $500 and the returns is $10,000. What on earth is that? What on earth is that? I mean, this is so much. This is too much. So much. I mean, this is too much. Guys, please be aware of these scammers. This is never me. All what we are doing is just giving you a signals and charging €50 a month, and that's all. There is nothing more than that. So again, guys, please be extra careful and be aware that the only official channel for Xtreme Trader is the one that you can find in the pinned comment or in the description below this video. This is our channel. This is Xtreme Trader. Don't ever think about searching for the channel. Please make sure that you are actually looking for the channel up from my YouTube channel. And by the way, I wanted to say something here also. Seeing all these scammers pretending to be me, and they are convincing the clients to be Xtreme Trader, it actually means one thing. It means that I'm thankfully very good at what I'm doing. It means that we are actually experts. It means that me and Angela are doing the best we can, and the signals are doing fantastically well. And for sure, these guys, they decided to use our names in order to earn money from their victims. So again, using my name to make money, meaning I'm very successful. I don't know if you guys agree with this or not, but I believe this is the truth. This is the only reason they will pretend to be Xtreme Trader. And by the way, talking about extreme trader performance, I'm happy to say that the signals which I have sent you on the last midweek analysis video is doing very well. Euro USD 36 pips of profit. The pound USD has also hit the take profit level, making more than 220 pips. I mean, guys, come on, give it to me. Don't tell me it didn't touch the take profit level. That's so unfair. It's just touched the previous resistance and reverse from there. 220 pips profit from the pound USD. AUD USD has been triggered, going in about 70 or actually 65 pips of profit. USD CAD has reversed from the given buy level and reversed for 51 pips. USD JPY is still flying, hasn't been triggered. USD CHF sadly didn't work well. I mean, the price was actually ranging inside of the safe zone, but as we can see, the market now is running in loss. The trade is running in loss. Gold has reversed exactly from the given level, went in total of 200 pips and currently running in 120 pips. So again, I'm very happy for the performance and for the results. 5 minutes, I'm just bluffing, and I told you to like the video, so I need to go to the main subject. So let's now focus on the live trading. Actually, I'm going to open just 3 trades on this video, and I want you guys to learn how to find these decent and good setups. So according to my strategy, all we need to do is simply like that. If you are planning to start a sell order, all we need to do is open the 4-hour time frame and then look for a resistance or a support. Of course, since we are looking for a sell, meaning we will be looking for a resistance, not a support. That's for a starter. Second thing is, make sure that you are actually on the first or the second attempt of any resistance on the 4-hour time frame. For example, we can see that here we had a bearish candle, and then we can see right here the resistance number 1, and right here resistance number 2. Of course, each and every reversal is considered as a reversal number 1 or reversal number 2. That's why we call it resistance R1 and R2. So we can see here resistance number 1, resistance number 2. This is a reversal, then we had a reversal, then another reversal, and so on. A reversal and so on. All we need to do is make sure that before the resistance number 1, there was a bearish breakout candle, and we need to find, actually I made a mistake, sorry. Did I make a mistake here now while I'm talking again? Yeah, sorry. Yes, we need to see that this resistance has been followed later with a bearish breakout candle, and then the market is gonna respect the same level of a resistance. Actually, this is kind of messed up. I mean, I rushed to explain it. Let me just tell you something. Right now for the pound NZD, we don't actually have a decent setup right now. The market is not actually on a clear support or resistance. So meaning I need to switch now to another time. Actually, let me just show you. Right now here, my friends, we can see that the market is facing a resistance. But the problem is, this is an upper trend, and the market has just reversed from a support. That's why I really don't feel comfortable selling at that level of a resistance. That's the reason I think this is just invalid setup. Going to the pound JPY. Alright, the pound JPY here is showing us something nice. Now we can see the market is actually exactly on a resistance level. This was a resistance, this was a resistance, then we had here a false breakout, meaning right now the market is on a resistance number 1. Fantastic. So after confirming this on the 4-hour time frame, it's time now to move to the smaller time frame. Now you can move to the 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, or even 5-minute time frame, not the 1-minute time frame. 5, 15, 30. Any of those is gonna be fine. Click on 15. I usually like to use 15-minute time frame. Now on the smaller time frame, what we are going to do right now is finding the very, very accurate entry. So now we know for sure that we will be looking for a sell order. The question is where exactly we can start shorting. Let me just go to the left side, and as we can see right here, my friends, exactly right here, check this out, right there, exactly. We can see that this level has been actually a strong real level of a resistance. Then we can see the fake breakout number 1, fake out number 2, and right now the market is actually creating a fake attempt number 3 of the resistance, which means just wait for the market to rise again, reaching the very same level of a real resistance. From there we're gonna actually start shorting the market. Now once we do that, we want to make sure that we're actually exiting our trade with a decent profit. Now the profit will be actually placed at the nearest support to our entry. Now from this pattern, since you are actually planning to place your trade right here at the new resistance, the target has to be placed right on the nearest support to my entry, which is this one right here. This is the nearest support. That's exactly, my friends, where my take profit level should be placed. Don't place your take profit levels randomly here and there, saying, oh my god, I want to make a decent profit, I want to make a fortune from this trade. You just cannot do that. So again, this is the take profit level, which means we are actually aiming 50 pips profit from the signal. Again, this is the pound JPY, so it's very normal. And for the safe zone, I suggest to make it exactly as the same of the take profit level. That's my suggestion for you. Let me just think. Okay, since we are actually on the $50,000 account, let me just make it 10 lot size. Let's play around. All right, so as you can see, the market is actually approaching the level where I want to place the sell order. I'm just waiting for this candle. You know, guys, it's really so easy for me to go in the past and tell you, all right, you can see we could have sell here, we could have bought there, and that is my strategy. What I'm doing here, what is different from others, is actually I'm opening live trades. Usually I do it on my live account, which I doubt many people doing on YouTube. Maybe there is, I cannot be unfair, but I'm not aware about them, and I'm not sure about their quality, if it's similar to mine or not. But what I know here is, I never explain a strategy without opening live trades. Anyway, I'm just waiting for the market to fall again, or sorry, to rise, to reach the same level of the real level of a resistance. So let me just please pause the recording, then I'll be back to you later once the candle rise again, reaching that level. If it didn't, I will just simply try to find something else. Alright, so as you can see, the market is rising again. I believe we are having here also a resistance, my friends. Check this out. This resistance right there. That resistance right here is actually, we can actually trust it, I think. It's not gonna be a bad idea to place a sell order right now. I mean, since I'm on a demo account, I really don't care what will gonna happen. Anyway, this is for educational purpose. So again, since we are actually aiming this nearest support level right here, my friends, the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here at the nearest take profit level, sorry, the nearest support to our entry. Now for the stop loss, just make it exactly the same. So here we are actually aiming now 34 pips of profit. Make sure that your stop loss is also almost 34 pips as well. So by that, you can actually find a very decent and good entries. And as you can see right now, the trade so far is running in profit. Now, till this trade finish, let me just try to find something else. And let's try to find a decent setup. Again, yes, we're having here a good something good for the pound JPY. Sorry, the pound CAD, I mean. Now, as you can see, this is the strategy, my friends. We just need to look for a resistance level. Then we have to wait for the market to break out from that level, and then we need to see a strong bearish candle breaking out from that level of a previous resistance. The whole idea here of my strategy is see a resistance level, wait for the market to rise again, and then break out from that level again, then wait for the market to rise again and respect the same level of a resistance. That resistance most likely is going to be respected again. That's the whole philosophy of my strategy. So seeing that, let me just now go to the 15-minute time frame and try to find a decent entry. Again, this is the entry I'm seeking. Check this out. This is the peak of the resistance, which was previously a support, and right now we can see that the market is indeed respecting that level of a resistance. Therefore, this is exactly where you want to place your sell order. Now, for the take profit level, the take profit level has to be placed exactly at the nearest support to my entry, which is exactly right here, which means I'm aiming 41 pips of profit. Make sure that you are, that your stop loss is nearly the same. As simple as that. And check this out, my friends. Already, both of the trades are running in a good profits. So if in case you are trading on a $50,000 account, you could have made, actually 10 lots is it's a lot actually. You could have made about $300, $400 of profit. Of course, it will be ranging, it will be up and down. That is, of course, normal. I'm just telling you how to find the decent and good setups. Again, let me just review it with, together. The reason I placed here the sell order for the pound CAD is simply, my friends, this is a nearest resistance. Now look for the bearish breakout candle and try to wait for the market to rise again, touching the highest level of that previous resistance. As simple as that. You don't really need much more than that. That is simply the whole strategy. Now someone might tell me, but Salah, maybe the market is going to continue rising till it reaches that level of a resistance. I tell you, this is exactly the strategy. You are actually placing your trade on the smaller time frame, and you are just aiming the nearest support to your entry. Most likely, that's exactly what will gonna happen. I am making a living from my trading from these for these pullbacks. So the market is most likely gonna continue the fall till it reaches that level of a previous support, and then is gonna continue the rise. For me, that is the most obvious and the most clear trade that I can find, instead of just placing here a buy order and just hoping for the best. I know for sure that most likely, I would say about 99% of the time, the market was actually going to respect the previous level of a resistance right after a breakout. So right here, this is the resistance, this is the breakout, and most likely the market is going to respect that level as a resistance. And check this out, the trades now are running in profits. So let's try to find something else, shall we? Yes, really more fun like that. Oh my God, I feel the enjoying. I'm just enjoying. I mean, it has been a long time since I traded on the demo account. I think last year maybe. Actually, let me just tell you something. Demo accounts are very, very good. They are always useful to practice trading. They are good also for the experts. Even myself, I'm using the demo account sometimes to test the new things to the strategy to make it even stronger. If I want to test something that I'm not familiar with, if I want to try to trade the Dow Jones, for example, or the oil, which I'm not used to, I will of course test it first on a demo account before switching to the live account. And that is, I think, an act that you guys should really get used to. Check this out, guys. This is what I'm talking about. On the 4-hour time frame, right now, the CHF JPY, we can see that the market here has created a resistance level, and we have here the false breakout. Now this is the bearish candle, which is the nearest one to that resistance level. Check this out. Right now, the market is indeed rising to reach the same level of a resistance. Now, most likely what will gonna happen is that the market will make a pullback right here. It's gonna reverse. So quickly switch to the 50-minute time frame. Perfect. Now scroll to the left side to find the, oh my goodness, check this out, guys. This is exactly where I want to place the sell order. Exactly at the highest level of that real level of a resistance, which was previously a support. So exactly, my friends, I had to place the sell order exactly right here. These things are not so much obvious on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you cannot really see the previous support right here. But switching to the 50-minute time frame, now scroll to the left, and boom, there it is. That is the previous support, which is the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle, and of course that is the resistance. These wicks right here can tell you that this level of a resistance is quite strong. All right, so let me just first set my stop loss. The take profit level. Now, since I have placed my trade right here at that level of a resistance, the take profit level has to be placed exactly at the nearest support to my entry, which is exactly right here at 146.895. So let me just place my take profit there, exactly right here. This is gonna be our take profit level, 36 pips. Let's just make sure that the stop loss is gonna be just the same, almost 36 pips. 32, 31, sorry, 32. Okay, almost the same. All right, that should be it. Right now we can see the trades are maybe not running in much profits, actually running in big loss. But of course, my friends, let's just wait some time and let's see how these trades will be going. So until then, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. Alright, so as we can see, most of the trades, actually 2 of them, are going in a good profit, and we can see this one is going in a profit, my friends. The pound JPY and the pound CAD. However, the CHF JPY is still struggling. It's just like 3 or 4 pips in against our direction. However, I want to spice things up, so let's add more trades here, shall we? Alright, so I found here also the pound CHF. We can see, my friends, here also that we are having a resistance level right here exactly. And pay attention. Again, the same thing happened right here. A resistance, then a major false breakout. Then we had here finally the bearish breakout from that level of a previous resistance. Now the market is rising again. So most likely now this level of a resistance is going to be respected again. So now after confirming this on the 4-hour time frame, let's switch to the 15-minute time frame. Alright, so now on the 15-minute time frame, what we can see right here, my friends, is simply like that. We can see that the market here has actually formed a resistance level. Interesting. Now we can see that the market is indeed rising again, and seems like that level of a resistance is gonna be retested again. Again, my friends, I am talking about the 15-minute time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have just confirmed the direction that we are going to sell or to open a sell order right here. Now 15-minute time frame, we are going to identify where exactly we can place that sell order. The same principle is going to be applied on the 15-minute time frame. Now this is the level of a resistance, and pay attention that the candle has already created here a wick already and has already reached that level, meaning that we can place the sell order right now. Perfect. Fantastic. Now, of course, since I have placed my sell order right here, the take profit level is going to be placed as the nearest support to my entry, which is going to be right here exactly. This is going to be at 20 pips of profit. And again, I'm going to make almost the same as for the stop loss. And as you can see, instantly, we are going in a good profit. So again, this is my strategy, my friends. This is the whole idea of the strategy I'm offering on my channel for free. Of course, you don't have to pay a penny for these videos. These live trading videos and the video where I'm actually explaining the strategy is available there for you, and you can watch it anytime you want. Now, of course, I have to insist here that this strategy cannot be profitable every single time. Maybe one of these trades will be in loss, but the rest is going to be hopefully in a profit. I think the pound CAD and the pound CHF are going to be profitable ones, especially also the pound JPY. It might take a while to be in profit. We don't know yet about the CHF JPY. It seems like the market is struggling. Maybe shorting against the JPY was a bad idea, but keep in mind I'm just scalping here. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, then we will see how many trades went in profit and how many of them are going in loss. And as you can see, my friends, the trades are going in a good profit. As you can see, the pound JPY has just reversed from the take profit level. I was just actually not paying attention. The pound CAD has went in about 24 pips before finally now reversing. I don't know what's happening. Again, we can see the pound CHF has reversed also right from the take profit level. I maybe didn't pay attention. Again, I actually was supposed to pay more attention to the trades, but I wasn't, because of course, again, this is demo account, just in case anyone will say, hey guys, he's on a demo account, don't believe him. I'm telling you, it's a demo account. Relax, chill there, my friends. So again, that strategy, I think, has proven itself to be a powerful strategy. Sadly, the CHF JPY doesn't seem to be going in our direction, but I believe later it might go. This video just taking so long, and to be honest, I want to be focusing on other things right now. I think that's it for now. 22 minutes is long enough for this video. So again, my friends, I'm really not sure if making these live trading videos on not live trading, I mean these trading videos on a live, sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm not sure, guys, if making these videos on a demo account is entertaining to you. I'm not sure, honestly. But what I'm sure here is that the strategy has proven itself to be a profitable one, and I believe, guys, you can really use it. And again, just for the records, I'm using IC Markets, which I believe is the best forex broker in the world. If you guys want to reach the same results as mine using the very tight spread, I really suggest you guys to use IC Markets, especially knowing that the withdrawals is very fast. I'm happy about that, actually. The reason I'm using IC Markets is I can get my money just the day after, and actually this service is excellent. The order is opening exactly at the time I want. Everything is perfect. I mean, really, I'm using IC Markets since 2016. And I find no problem with them at all. I believe they are just the perfect forex broker in the world. So again, my friends, I hope that was entertaining to you, and of course very informative. And in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.